In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Monday.com and WhatsApp. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into your Monday.com account and that you have permission to install apps in your workspace. This walkthrough keeps things simple and focuses on enabling the WhatsApp connection from the Monday.com apps marketplace and adding it to the board where you'll use it. Start on your Monday.com homepage. At the top of the screen, find the puzzle-shaped icon. This opens the apps marketplace, which is where you can discover and add integrations to your account. Click it to continue. In the marketplace, use the search bar and type WhatsApp. You'll see matching results appear below. Select the WhatsApp option from the results to open its listing page. Here you can review details about what the app does, any usage notes, and screenshots. When you're ready, click Install App. Next, you'll be asked where you want the app installed. You can choose all workspaces to make it available everywhere, or specific workspaces to restrict access to particular teams. If you're just getting started or testing, choose all workspaces for now so you don't run into access issues. Then click Install to confirm. After installation, Monday.com will prompt you to decide where to use the app. First, pick the workspace that will host the integration. Choose the workspace that contains the boards where your team manages conversations or customer activities you want to link with WhatsApp. Now, choose the board you want to connect. Select the board that will hold your items, statuses, and any columns you'll use for WhatsApp-related updates. If you already know the board where messages or automations should live, highlight that board to proceed. Confirm the board selection and open it so you're viewing the board directly. From here, add the app to the board by clicking Add App. This step places the integration in the context where it will run, making configuration and use more straightforward for your team. If the app offers starter templates, choose the template you need. Templates can pre-configure columns, views, or example automations that save time and help you follow best practices. Pick the one that matches your workflow so you can jump straight into customizing fields and rules. That's the full setup flow from the marketplace to a ready-to-customize board. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Confirm you have the right workspace and board so the integration shows up for your team. Consider restricting installation to specific workspaces later for tighter control, and review the template you selected to ensure it aligns with your processes. When you're done, your WhatsApp integration will be in place and ready for configuration within your chosen board.